It's a beautiful day at Payne Rio Grande City Ford, and guess what? We've got some awesome night moves with this blacked out new 2024 Ford F-150 4x4 Super Crew. I got the black metallic, great color, 2.7 liter EcoBoost, 23 miles per gallon highway. Also, we do have blacked out 20-inch wheels wrapped in Hankooks. We have factory side steps, premium cloth seats. Right here we got a big console connectivity. We also have a power inverter up front, 12 volts of power. Our climate controls, big, huge screen for all of our connectivity and also navigation. Full digital driver information station and a traditional shifter on the column. Oh, my favorite. Now, in the back, total seating for 5. We do have rear air 12 volt power, and also we do have connectivity for our rear passengers. And look at all of this room. And guess what? Even more for cargo. And there is our roadside assistance kit. The bed, yeah, guess what? We're ready for cargo in the back, and also we have plenty of tie downs, and we're ready for a trailer right here on this new 2024 Ford F-150 4x4 Super Crew right here at Payne Rio Grande City Ford. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tú quieres, regardless.